All right, today we're gonna be replacing the discs on this car because they're not very good, and we also gonna check the brakes. Let's go ahead and lift the car up with the floor jack, just like that. Next, we're gonna secure the car with some jack stands. Always, okay? Don't rely on your cat jack stands. 21mm to remove your lock nuts. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the lock nut. Make sure that the socket is all the way in and the nut. Otherwise you're gonna strip it. Take it one at a time. Take your time. And you should be good to go. And pull the tire out. Just like so. Here we go. That's the disc right there. Let's get it out. This 14mm right there. We need to remove. So 2 14s. The whole thing comes out. Brakes look good, and that's where the 14s go. One right here, the other one up here. And that's what they look like if you're looking at it like this. Okay, it's close to this is the e-brake, handbrake. Okay, just to point it out. 14s, don't forget. 14. In order to take that out, we gotta make sure that the e-brake is off. So, like that. If your new one or used one in my case, but in good condition, just put it same way you took the other one out. Line this guys, like this. Should go in with no issues. There you go. Now go ahead and do the opposite. Put everything back. You'll be good to go. If you need to adjust your handbrake, this is where you want to go. Just take this off, and then with that flat head, just go up a little bit. Let me show you. The handbrake, put it where you want it, not too high, not too low. Leave it right there. And then you come, take this off, and then with the flat head, you go ahead and tighten it, going upwards. Just tighten it, you'll be good to go. And you do the same thing on the other side. Same procedure. If you're changing both, I will recommend you to do both. So there you have it, guys. Like, subscribe for more.